Hey, I'm Alex, your personal Physiocoach. I'm here to support your physiotherapist, Donya. Together, we'll get your back pain under control. You can answer my questions by speaking to me, or if you prefer, by tapping the response options here. Give it a try.
I'm ready.
Exactly like that. Great! What's your name?
My name's Helen.
Hello, Helen. It's great to meet you. How do you feel today?
I'm alright, except that my back hurts a little.
I'm sorry to hear that your back hurts. I'm here to support you, and we'll work on feeling better together. Now, let's start our training together. The footprints beneath you serve as a guide to help you maintain correct posture. Just step onto them. Check from time to time to make sure your feet are still properly positioned. Now, please do 3 squats so I can take a closer look at them. 1, 2. Well done. Give me a high five. Try to go down a little further. Now let's do a set of 6 repetitions together. Try to keep up with my pace. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Here we go. 1, 2. Check occasionally if your knees are over your feet. 5. Yeah, we're done. Give me a high five. And now a fist bump. Helen, you did great today. I hope your back's feeling a bit better after our session. Keep up the good work, and let's keep that positive momentum going. Take care, and I'll see you next time.